Usekela Mongameli Umnumzana David Mabuza ubuziwe ePalamente njengokuba eyinkokheli kumashishini karhulumente ingaba uza kunyanzelisa izohlwayo zePalamente kumalungu eKabinethi nakhankanyiweyo kwingxelo kaZondo kusini na.
There are certain recommendations that are about the National Assembly itself, but yourself. You must also explain yourself how you want to deal with this, these recommendations. So all of us, one day, we are going to explain ourselves. And that time will come. It's not only for the president to explain himself, we must also explain ourselves how best we are going to handle this recommendation.
Umbhexeshi we-DA ePalamente uSiviwe Kwarhube uvakalise inkxalabo ngale ngxelo kaZondo.
The President asserts that none of the findings of this Judicial Commission are in fact binding to government, a sentiment which seems to have extended to Parliament, judging by the presiding officer's reluctance to act speedily against those who have been implicated in the report.
Kusenjalo uMabuza uyabuzwa ngemiba ephathelene nokumbiwa kwemigodi ngokungekho semthethweni kweli, uthi urhulumente uxhalabile ngokukhula kwalo mkhwa wokumbiwa kwemigodi kweli ngokungekho semthethweni.